Hello children, I welcome you all back to the English class of class 1. Welcome back everybody. Hope all are safe and fine. In the previous class, I had explained you all about the English alphabets. I had told you all that there are 26 alphabets in English, and those alphabets are written in two ways. That is the capital form and the capital cursive form. And the alphabets are divided into two kinds. That is the vowels and consonants. So from A to Z we have 5 vowels, and those 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining 21 letters are the consonants. That is the letter B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So hope you have not forgotten it. So I repeat, there are 26 alphabets in English, and they are written in two ways, capital and small. And the alphabets are divided into two kinds, that is the vowels and consonants. So we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Yes children, now I have written a proverb on the board, and hope you all are able to see the proverb. The proverb is, health is wealth. I have written here this proverb because today's first lesson tells us something very important about our health. Okay, so now we all are staying at home. You know why? What is the reason? To be healthy. You know that there is a very serious virus, a very dangerous virus around us. So all are staying at home to be safe and to be healthy. So here goes the first lesson that says, health is happiness. So now most of the times you must have seen, you can see the changes in your parents when you are sick, or when you say you are feeling sort of very low or very tired. Immediately your parents ask, why? What happened? And they are worried, and they want you to rush to the doctor immediately, thinking that if you fall sick, they don't want you all to fall sick. So here in this lesson, you will learn something very important regarding the health. What you people have to do to keep yourselves healthy. Okay, so the heading says health is happiness. So if we have to be happy, we have to take care of our health. Okay children. Yes children, I was telling you about being healthy. So if we have to be healthy, what is the most important thing we have to follow? That is play games. So you people being young, you play a lot of games, indoor games and outdoor games, isn't it? So indoor games keeps you healthy mentally, and outdoor games will keep you healthy physically. But elders, they cannot go out and play. Elders like your mother or father or your teacher, can we go out and play like y'all? Can we jump? Can we run? No, we can't do that. So we will have to exercise daily. Okay, so this is the tip which you have to follow if you have to stay healthy. And the next point is to drink clean water. How do we know that the water is clean? How do we know that the water is clean, we cannot see the tiny germs that is present in the water. So those germs, when they enter our body, we may fall sick. So it is better either we boil the water or we filter the water. We can follow both the procedures. We can boil the water, cool it and also filter it, which keeps us healthy. And the next point is, do not skip meals. Some children have a very bad habit of not eating the food at proper time. We have to eat 3 meals a day. That is the breakfast, lunch, dinner. So when do we have our breakfast? We have our breakfast in the morning. And we have lunch in the afternoon. And we have dinner at night. So these 3 meals a day is very important. Suppose we skip meals, it makes us very tired. We become very tired and we will not be able to do or concentrate on the work what we are doing. And the fourth point is, eat nutritious food. So when I tell you that you have to eat 3 meals a day, it is not that you eat something what you find at home. Like some children, they are very fond of the junk foods, like the fried items, the chips, the Lays and the Kurkure what you get. So that doesn't make a meal. It is a junk food that cannot keep you healthy. So please avoid all those kind of food and eat nutritious food. Your mother, she knows better and she always tries to make nutritious food for you all. So please listen to your mother and develop a good habit of eating. Yes, why I was telling you about health is, in this lesson you are having a very small story about a student by name Manoj. He is a student. And Sharadi. There are 3 characters in this lesson, children. That is Manoj, Sharadi and Ankita. Sharadi is Manoj's sister. Ankita is Manoj's friend. I'll begin with the story now. One day, Manoj returns home. And when he returns home, he looks very sad. And his sister, Sharadi, asks Manoj, "Why are you looking so sad, Manoj?" she asks. And Manoj, he says, "Today, my friend Ankita did not come to school." Then Sharadi, she asks, "Why? What is the reason? What happened to Ankita?" And Manoj says, "I got to know that she is sick. She is not keeping well." And Sharadi says, "Manoj, if we have to be healthy, we have to follow some rules. If we have to be healthy, we have to follow some rules. What are those rules?" So she begins explaining to Manoj. The rules are very simple, which we can follow, she says. The first thing is, we have to exercise. Our body needs exercise. Suppose, if we are young ones, we play games. So, that is also a form of exercise. But elders, they need to exercise to keep their body in good condition. And second point, she says, we have to follow the eating habits, a very healthy eating habits, that we have to include vegetables, fruits, food grains like cereals and pulses to keep ourselves healthy. And the third point, she says that a human needs enough sleep. So we have to follow all this if we have to be healthy. And she says, don't worry much. Your friend Ankita will get well soon. Manoj asked his sister, Sister, we get food and sleep at home. So where do we get exercise? He asks his sister. So his sister tells him, don't worry too much. What you play outside with your friends is a form of exercise. And she stops there and pushes him out to play with his friends. So this is about the lesson, health is happiness. So here is the lesson which I explained now about health is happiness. So I will read the lesson once. So you too please follow when I am reading, children. One day Manoj returned home sadly after school. My friend Ankita did not come to school today, Manoj said to his sister Sharadi. Why? Sharadi asked. She is not well, Manoj replied. Our health is important. We need 3 things to keep us healthy. Sharadi started explaining to Manoj. Eating well, exercising and getting enough sleep, Sharadi said. Eating well, what does it mean? Manoj asked. Food plays a large part in health. Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables but not junk food, Sharadi explained. We get food and sleep at home, but where can we get exercise? Manoj asked. Playing is a very good form of exercise. Yoga is another excellent activity. Don't worry about that. Whenever you get time, go out and play with friends. Saying this, Sharadi pushed Manoj out to play with his friends. Hope all have understood the lesson. So as I told, the 3 characters in the lesson, Manoj, Sharadi and Ankita. So Manoj is explained by his sister Sharadi why we fall sick. What is the reason for us to fall sick? She explains it clearly to Manoj and she says, don't worry, your friend Ankita will soon get back to school. So here you can see I have displayed some of the nutritious food. So some of the nutritious food are the fruits, vegetables, egg and pulses and cereals. So please include all these things in your food habits. We cannot eat everything together at a time or on the same day. So we have to see that we include different fruits and vegetables along with pulses and cereals at least once or twice in a week to keep ourselves healthy. Hope all have understood today's lesson, health is happiness, and will follow the rules strictly to keep yourselves healthy. Thank you, children. We'll meet you in the next class.